Alright, YouTube. I've been up here in a while, but we have in this box a new tool that just arrived. And I'm going to spend a few seconds here and just cutting out these tags, shipping tags, so we don't have any identifiable info on here. Just got this today. So we'll just kind of chuck that on the floor. And arrived fairly quickly from overseas. Okay. Super excited. So let's open this up. Smells good. Let's see. Oh. Open here. And no, this is not a Hans Carlsen axe. Hopefully that's not all backwards. Soulwood Creations axe. This would be my second axe from Peter. Super excited here. There's nothing else hiding. Cool. Throw this over here. Oh yeah. I just wanted to do a little unboxing, and I'm sure this is not going to be damaged, but I had many years ago an issue with another axe that is a more of a lower quality axe that was completely horrible. We'll talk about that. So I just like to document these higher end tools on camera. Oh boy, this looks really nice. Being very ginger here. Let me just unroll it. Oh, nice. Wow, great. This is the. It smells awesome. This is the Soulwood Creations #1 axe. He's got different versions. Look at that leather sheath. That is serious. Nice. Feels great in the hand already. So let's take a look at this. All right. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh man, that feels like a razor. So, there's the axe here. I know my lighting in here is horrible, guys. I'm so sorry. But the axe looks perfect. Doesn't look like there's any issues with it at all whatsoever. Just taking a look at it here. And this is not really an advertisement for the axe. I'm just telling you which one I received. It's the Soulwood Creations #1. He's got a #2, a #3, and he's got some more fancier ones after that. So they're all like different weights. Handle lengths are all different. Cutting edge lengths are different. You know. So this one I felt was the best one for me, for what I wanted, and wow, it looks great. So let's do. So this is the small carving axe from Peter from Soulwood. I think this was like the first generation that he did with this style. It's like a very small carving axe, and this is them together. Whoops. So we can see it's considerably smaller, but that's why this was designed. But this is abso-friggin-lutely beautiful. Whoa. Yeah, very nice. Similar handles. Did an excellent job here. Wow, this thing is nuts. So that's really it. There's not much to it. This is kind of more impromptu here. So I also have a Hans Carlsen. Oh man. Which has literally been collecting dust. I haven't been using this much. There's nothing wrong with it, but I plan on selling this on eBay. Along with some of my other spoons. So I'll be selling this Hans Carlsen on eBay with maybe like 4 of my cooking spoons that I make as a group. So it's really hard to tell with any size comparison, but you know, this axe is a little bit bigger in terms of the cutting edge, which is what I wanted, something a little bit bigger. The Hans Carlsen axe is really an incredible axe. So it might be like an inch or so. I don't know. But anyway, yep. Hide that guy. This is the new tool that I will covet for a very long time. And now I have it, so no one will get to use this. Yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, there it is. Soulwood Creations axe, the #1 version. All right. You put away this Hans Carlsen back there. See me on camera. So this is a real beauty here. Man, it's really nice. Feels great in the hand. Really can choke up on it. Can really see here. I have pretty big hands. Yeah, it feels great. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I already have one of Peter's axes. It's considered the small carving axe. And I know how that feels in the hand as far as the handle, but this is a different blade style, so yeah. Oh yeah, I can't wait to use this. And it's just feeling it, holding the wood, chop chop. Yeah, it's nice. It's actually beautiful. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I'm very glad to have this. So yeah, not much to really say except just to keep showing it in case anybody wants to get those close-ups. Here we go. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. See you later.